Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Legend, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation on this Android. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to click on Display and Brightness over here, scroll down and click on the switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen feature. As you can see, the switcher is gray. That means that auto rotation is off. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same switcher. You can also go into Device Settings and tap on Auto Rotate icon. If it's see-through, that means that auto rotation is disabled. If you wish to enable it, just click on the same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!